Yeah, and that's another thing I like about the Mini 5 Pro is that you can just pop out that battery, and as soon as you pop in your next battery, you can see how quick this is. You just pop it in and she starts right back up and you're ready to go. You're ready to go.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
Okay.
Home point updated.
Now we're going to see if we can get close to the trees over here, just so you can see how windy it is. So we're going to go back up here, go back into video. Okay. And click record. Actually, let's stop. You know what? I want to change this to 4K 60. And let's click record. Okay, let's do a takeoff.
Home point updated.
Yeah, it's pretty windy. Yeah, it's pretty windy, guys, but take a look. She's not rocking a whole lot in the wind. She is definitely handling the wind very good. The Mini 4 Pro was pretty good in the wind, but this is definitely better. Okay, now we want to try and fly up to the trees, and just so you can see a bit of the wind. Okay, there's trees over here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. We're going to try and zoom in a little bit, just so you can see the trees are waving around quite a bit. Yes, quite a bit. Take a look at that, guys. Yeah, we have some pretty good wind today. You know what I think I'd like to try here is I want to go up and get a hyperlapse just to these clouds. These clouds are moving very fast through the sky, and we haven't done any hyperlapse with this. So let's get her in position here. Okay, let's stop this. Okay, let's go down to hyperlapse. Okay. Okay. So we have her in position. We have her in position. If you check the video there, you can visually see those clouds moving, you know, even without starting the time lapse. So we're going to do intervals of 2 seconds, 0.5 meter length, 5 seconds. Let's bump this up. Let's try and get 10 seconds. Or actually, let's try for 12 seconds. Okay, we're going to do a hyperlapse of 12 seconds. Okay. Let's put her up just a little bit. And let's lower the camera a little bit. Okay, and let's click go. Yeah, the clouds today are already moving quite fast through the sky. So this should be a very interesting hyperlapse. Yeah, with the naked eye, it looks like there's a hyperlapse going on because the clouds are moving very, very fast. So it's going to be interesting to see this hyperlapse. And again, a hyperlapse is simple to do. It's going to take 300 photos for this hyperlapse. It's only at 29, 30 photos right now. It's saying it'll be 8 minutes. We have a fresh battery in there, so we're not too worried. Yeah, this is kind of an ideal situation for a hyperlapse because we already have the clouds are moving, and they're moving quite fast because of the wind. There's a lot of wind here. Yeah, when you're doing hyperlapse, you know, a lot of people are doing highways, cars, nighttime. You always want to have something that's moving in your hyperlapse. So this is a perfect situation. The clouds are really rolling across the sky. Yeah, I'm anxious to see this one. Okay, it says hyperlapse is ready to complete. We're at 290 out of 300. $295, 296, 297, 298, 299, and 300. Okay. Hyperlapse is finished. It's creating video.
Video created successfully.
Okay, let's take a look at the video. Okay. So, let's take a look. It did a great job. It did a great job. Yeah, excellent job. Okay. So, Now, I wish I had something here to do a master shot, so I may have to do that another day. Okay, so let's get out of there. Okay, let's go back into video. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go over here. We're just going to fly down to the end of the field. It's very windy. Hopefully we don't get blown off course. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's try return to home in the wind.
Return to home.
Okay, it's quite windy. I want to see how this does in the wind for the return to home. She's coming back pretty quickly too. Yeah, amazing. Amazing. Quite fast. Quite fast. Quite fast. Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty amazing. She came back quite fast. Okay, guys, let's see if she lands on the table where she took off. Now you can see the wind is moving her around. She's spot on. That is spot on. That's exactly where I took off too. You know that? That is absolutely amazing. This DJI Mini 5 Pro, I think, is one of the best so far I've seen for a return to home. It is right on the money. Right on the money. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And I think we're gonna head out before it actually rains.